Yeah.
We snuck her out so you'd have the surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did.
So, what is this baby's name, or do you have a name?
Her name is Paige Caroline Cinnamon.
Oh.
What a beautiful name.
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa, let's have a picture of you with in there. I'm on video.
Video.
Yeah,
On
video. Let's get
I
a
can't really
close-up.
move right now. I can't feel my legs.
Oh, you got the epidural, eh?
Yeah,
You
you sure
do?
did.
Hi,
Oh,
Pete.
thank good. You're good.
Hi,
The best
Pete.
decision I ever made.
Hello. Hello,
I
baby.
can't feel that.
No,
I'll hold it.
Oh, you've had a long day.
You gonna hold the baby?
You both have had a long day.
Oh no, don't want to leave mommy. Don't want to leave mommy.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
Oh,
Here,
Sweet.
take it, get the camera.
sweetheart.
Oh, sweet. Don't lick that. Oh, baby.
So how big is she, Kristen?
8'7".
Oh my gosh.
She's a big girl.
Wow. She looking at Grandpa?
Hello.
Oh, big yawn. Big
I got a
yawn.
big smile and my eyes were open. Oh, aren't
Oh,
you sweet?
sweet.
I can't believe that they just
They
come
had
out
to
like
use
this.
the
Love.
suction on her, so she's got a bit of
Yeah.
a headache. And then she had the
Oh.
cord wrapped around her neck,
Oh.
so she didn't.
So did you see everything?